The world of indoor gardening isn't just about putting plants in pots. It's about the two best things in life. It's about nature and creativity rolled into one. In this course, we'll be going on an adventure. Everything from potting up quite simple plant arrangements right through to aquascapes, terrariums, even indoor living walls. Having a green view has been linked with faster healing times in hospitals, reduced need for anxiety and even pain medication, even improved exercise performance. Gardening is the ultimate form of therapy, and at the end of it, you have a beautiful home. So I'll be teaching you all the fundamental rules of plant care: light, air, water, and fertilizer, and all the fundamental rules of design. But most importantly, I'll be teaching you how to break them. Because in gardening, there are no mistakes, only experiments. I'm going to start by showing you how to make a really simple planted coffee table using this space under here. So the leaves aren't covering over each other, they're all creating this silvery, almost embroidered looking carpet. This is your Terrarium 101 step-by-step guide to make sure you don't fall for any of the really common pitfalls. Fill this central reservoir with water, and there you go. Over the last 30 years, I have tried and failed with almost anything that it's possible to do with plants. So really, this is just my chance to share with you the tips and tricks so you don't have to make the same mistakes that I have. There are so many things that I'd like to achieve with this course, so many things I'd like to show you and teach you, but if I could share just 1% of the joy that plants give me, I'll be happy. Learn how to create your own piece of paradise at home with me, James Wong.